I just ate something I shouldn't have in Snowdonia, that's all.
Well, what game have you got for us tonight?
Oh, right. Tonight, we're going to be playing bird droppings. All right. G'day, Claudia.
Hello.
G'day, Shane.
Hello, buddy.
Welcome to the jungle.
Thank you.
Thank you.
In each of these trees lives a bird with 3 distinct bird calls. Listen carefully, because you'll need to remember which sounds come from which bird. Over here in tree number 1, we've got a tropical bird. Let's listen to our first call. Now our second call. And the third call. What a beaut. Over here in tree number 2 is the almighty bird of prey. Hark! I hear her call. Number 2. And number 3. Absolutely terrifying. Now over here in tree number 3 is the beautiful Essex bird. Let's listen to a sweet, sweet song. Majestic. Here's the next one. And now the final call of the Essex bird.
Oh, shut up.
What a dignified creature indeed. Now then, these birds are awfully shy. But watch this. If you return their call, they'll lay an egg for you. There we go. Easier than hanging toads from the wash line. Now, in this round, you'll hear the birds make their calls, but you won't see them. The bashful little blighters will only reveal themselves after you've returned their call. So, listen to the call, remember which tree it came from, then run there with your bucket, repeat the call, and make the bird lay its eggs. Whoever gets the most will win, and 2 points will be added to their total. Now, we play this game one at a time. Claudia's going to go first, so Shane, off you go backstage.
All right.
Claudia, love, grab your bucket and get into position. Now, remember, you're doing this for charity, so give it your all, love.
All right.
You ready?
No.
Well, we're going to go anyway.
Thank you.
Good luck. Your time starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, shut up. Oh, I am on fire. Oh, shut up.
That was an absolute disaster. You missed that one, love. Come on, quick.
Come on.
Careful with that bucket.
Is he drooling at Claudia? I don't know, but she looks very overdone to me.
Come on, you can do it, beautiful. There's some scrambled eggs.
Yes, cuckoo. What is it? Oh, cuckoo.
Claudia, not half shift for a little one. What do you say we count them up and see how many you got?
That would be delightful.
All right, Claudia, come on over here.
I'm not very pleased with myself, Jay.
You really know your bird speak, but you left a bit of a mess over there on the jungle floor.
I'm not very good at catching.
I'll tell you what, let's count those eggs and see what you got.
Okay, you're not going to be pleased with me. 1.
That's 1. Confirmed.
Okay, 2.
2 eggs.
That's it.
You know what?
Yeah?
It just might be good enough.
I don't think so.
You know, you don't see cannibals around anymore like you used to.
Guess they just ate each other.
But who ate the last one?
Why do you torture yourself with these philosophical questions?
You ready to take on the birds?
I think I know what you mean.
And then are you ready to go catch the eggs in the bucket?
If you don't be looking at it from these enders like take. No, I know what you mean.
All right, Shane.
Yeah.
We're doing this for charity.
Yep.
So go ahead and grab your bucket. I'm going to perk up my peckers. All right, Shane. You ready, mate?
Think so.
Your time will start in 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh, missed that one. Hey, Ronnie McQueen Vic. There you go. Beautiful orphan.
Oh, shut up. Oh, shut up.
Good on you, mate. There you go. Keep going, mate. 20 seconds to go. Hey, right on the old bucket. Right catch, mate. Fantastic, my friend.
You sit on.
Blimey, Shane. I haven't seen anyone move with a bucket like that since my nana heard there was a coal sale in Coolangatta. Let's see what you got.
Okay.
All right, Shane, come on over.
Oh.
Boy, you really know how to tug on your bungee.
Thank you, buddy.
Let's get Claudia over here. We'll count up your eggs. Now,
Come on, Winkleman.
remember, Claudia got 2 eggs, so you'll need 3 or more to beat her.
Okay.
Don't be horrid.
No, I'm not.
I got to pull this thing. We should say that is a bungee.
Yeah, and I'm in a suit.
Yes.
Listen, Claudia, pulling your bungee takes years and years of practice. Don't feel bad. All right, let's count them up, Shane.
Ready?
Look at you.
1,
Boom.
That's
Go.
one.
2.
2 eggs.
To beat Claudie, I need the 3.
Oh, that's 3.
3, but we don't finish there. We have 4.
You know, now you're just rubbing it in.
Yeah, we're on our way to double omelette here. 5.
No.
It's not over yet. 6 eggs.
Come on.
Unbelievable. Well played, Shane.
Thanks, John.
That makes you the winner. 2 points will be added to your total. Thank you both for playing bird droppings.
Thank you.
Yes, well done there. Shane Ritchie, 2 points to you. And so, let's catch up with scores. It's Clyde.
So, Dougie, get this. I finally get the Buble tickets. Now the wife's got one of her migraines and doesn't want to go. Can you believe it? Winkleman, you seem like a good time. How'd you like to catch a show with the sexiest crab in show business?
I'm there.
Sweet. Let's just keep this our little secret.
Clyde!
Soapstar's got 6.
Television these days, you know, it's nearly all filth, nudity, and violence.
I know, Gran.
Flesh, explosion, guts, and bare bottoms everywhere.
Yes, Gran.
So why the heck are we watching a blooming game show? Give me that remote.